Hey guys, so I wanted to show you the steps I take to do my glitter lip kits. First thing I do is line my lips, and since I'm holding my phone, which I do have a stand for by the way, but I don't know why I'm holding it, I have to line my lips without dropping the phone. I'll actually show you once it's lined. Now you can see that I've lined it. Now usually I would say go with the color of the glitter pot that you're going to be using, but if you don't have anything other than nude, that's fine because you just want to see the line so you know where to put the glitter in. So here's the second step. Now the second step, I have to top like this because I put the gel on one lip at a time. Don't stick them together or they'll stick. And then I'm going to put the glitter on, and then I'll do the top lip, put the gel on, and then put the glitter on. So I'll show you all of that once it's done and reveal the nice color that is going to match my nice turtleneck. Okay, so here's my bottom lip done, and now I'm going to do my top lip. So this way, when you do one at a time, it doesn't dry up, and you'll have a chance to go over it evenly, and then you start your top lip. Right? And here is the big reveal. Whoever knew like this navy color could look so elegant? I wanted to do it with this turtleneck because I wanted to show that it could be elegant. So it's great for a nice dinner party or just in general if you just want something different. So why not try it?